Upbeat music begins. Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Hacks, where we bring you the coolest tips and tricks to make your tech life easier and more fun. Today, we have a fantastic hack that will save you money and make your online meetings a breeze. Ever found yourself in a jam with no webcam? Maybe you have an important meeting or a virtual hangout with friends, and your built-in webcam just isn't cutting it. Don't stress, we've all been there, and today, we have the perfect solution for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your old phone into a top-notch webcam for free. Yes, you heard that right. No need to spend extra cash on a new webcam. Ready? Let's dive in and transform your smartphone into a powerful webcam. First, let's see what you'll need. You need a smartphone, either Android or iOS, a Wi-Fi connection, and a computer. That's it. Simple, right? You probably already have all these things at home. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step process. Trust me, it's easier than you think and you'll be up and running in no time. Step 1, download the app. This is the most crucial step. Without the right app, your phone won't be able to function as a webcam. Head over to your app store and search for DroidCam if you're on Android, or EpocCam if you're on iOS. These apps are specifically designed to turn your phone into a webcam. Download it on both your phone and computer. This ensures that both devices can communicate with each other seamlessly. These apps are free and super easy to use. No hidden costs, no complicated setups, just straightforward and user-friendly. Step 2, connect your devices. This is where the magic happens. Make sure both your phone and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for a stable connection. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect. The apps are designed to guide you through the process step by step. It's usually as simple as scanning a QR code or entering an IP address. The app will provide you with all the necessary details. Step 3, position your phone. This is where you can get a bit creative. Get creative with how you set it up. You can use a variety of household items to position your phone just right. You can mount your phone on a tripod for a stable and professional setup, hide it near your front door for a unique angle, or even tape it behind your monitor for those Zoom calls. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different positions to find what works best for you. And finally, step 4, test your webcam. This is the moment of truth. Check the live feed on your computer to make sure everything's working perfectly. Adjust the position if needed to get the best angle and lighting. And just like that, you've got yourself a fully functional webcam for free. No more blurry or pixelated video calls. So there you have it. A simple, cost-effective solution to turn your smartphone into a high-quality webcam. This simple hack can save you both time and money. No need to rush out and buy an expensive webcam when you have a perfectly good smartphone at your disposal. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. We're always here to bring you the best tech hacks to make your life easier. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. See you in the next one. Upbeat music ends. Until then, happy tech hacking.